Hello, dear friends. This is Poe checking in with you, and today, check this out. I am showing you a place that offers you clear skies, beautiful unblocked views, okay? And where I'm standing is within walking distance to Serangoon, okay, which is an interchange station. So it's really conveniently located. Okay, Serangoon is like the heart of Singapore. Okay, and can get connected to like the Circle and the Northeast lines as well. Okay, so what you see here is actually a friend's unit, and she previously stayed by herself, okay, and now getting the house ready for tenancy. So everything has actually been spruced up, and then some new additions as well. This is actually a one-bedder with a spacious study that I'll show you in a moment, okay. So you can see that actually it offers you a spacious living area, okay, and I'll show you the house in a moment. But what I wanted to talk to you about is really in terms of the locality. It's also close to the Australian school as well, so we've had teachers who are showing interest in the place. So yeah, if you really find that, hey, you like, because this feels very much like a landed house, right? See, this is in a beautiful landed cluster, so I can even hear the birds chirping, okay, and even though you can see that, oh, it's glaring hot outside, but we still remain very cool inside. This is the north-south facing, and the owner told me that how come she bought this place is because she fell in love with the quietness of this place. So there are no road sounds, no traffic sounds, no construction sounds, no MRT sounds. So it's totally nice and peaceful for you to recharge after work. Okay, so this is a very unique development. Okay, just 2 blocks, and what you're seeing is a one-bedroom with a study. So this one has this one bedroom has just been renovated. Okay, the air cons also being changed. So this is the master, where you can comfortably fit a queen, and with a huge wardrobe come storage space as well. Okay, very functional kitchenette. Okay, lots of actually prep space. Everything is maintained beautifully. Just change a new cooker hood for you as well. Okay, and with induction, microwave, built-in oven, washer dryer. Okay, you can, if you are fine, you can also just dry your clothes at the planter balcony area. And this, I would say, is actually a spacious, you can call it a versatile space for you. You want to make it your gym corner, you can make this as your work from home area, or in fact, I mean, if you, let's say you have family visiting, you can definitely have a sofa bed. It can fit a single bed. Okay, and this quiet place also offers its own gym, swimming pool, and then you have a clubhouse. Yeah, so basically all the amenities that you need. And actually what I like is all the eateries. Serangoon has so much good food. All the shop houses. My favorite road is Lim Tua Tau Road. A lot of eateries there. And I just googled, and just near here there is like fishball noodles, even that omakase place, Japanese sushi grill place. So lots of dining options. So yeah, this house will be available really, really soon, okay? And I can see this going really soon as well. So contact me if you feel that, hey, you're keen to live in this beautiful landed neighborhood and walk to Serangoon MRT, or if you drive, this will be perfect for you. Okay, I'll see you soon.